All right, so Drew just got here. He got a new bike today. Pretty stoked.
Husqvarna.
We don't know why they put these ugly damn things on these bikes, factory, but anyway, we're gonna take that off. And then we're gonna go ride around and put some miles on, right, Drew?
Oh, yeah.
2026 SMCR 701. Get this tacked up, throw some paint on it, then we'll bolt it on. Unfortunately, it's raining right now. We won't get the ride. Well, we might get the ride.
Boo. Hopefully it won't rain too much. We'll ride tomorrow, definitely.
Made a little bracket. Got a license plate under there for now. Bracket turned out pretty good. Gonna cut the light on real quick, Drewski. Hit the brakes. And he didn't want to take anything off until someone maybe offers a tail toddy for it later. Crank Massey up. Oh, Massey Ferguson. Sound just like mine. Loud. The motor is so loud. They're always loud. Husky has the same dash and everything as the 390. It has everything unlocked. Went from a yellow DRZ to a yellow Husky 701. Pretty stoked for Drew to get this bike. Back at the house. Still wet from last night. But Mars just got back with his new Sportster. What year is this thing?
2007.
I like that sticker logo they have. You know, some of them doesn't look that's kind of retro like.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Hopefully it's gonna dry up a little bit. We can ride today a little bit. And Drewski's gonna meet up with us with his Husky. We'll show some clips of that.
We're running an 883 trans, so it's extra fucking torquey, but the 883 trans are apparently better than the 1200 trans. So.
TC Bros parts on there, sick. Just want to show it off real quick for my boy. He's stoked.
Hold clutch in.
No shit.
Oh.
There it goes. You had the key turn all the way. Start over again. I didn't know you had some aftermarket suspension over there too in the back. That's nice to have those too.
All right, what are we going to do, buddy?
Get lunch?
Okay.
What the hell's going on with my damn thing like a fucking captain?
What the fuck? Your zipper broke, dude.
What the hell? Going to Mars.
Okay. All right, I gotta leave Nick. I gotta come to you now because he's over here fucking his jacket up. What are we about to do?
Shit, ride some bikes.
All right,
eat some
cool.
food.
Let's go. Let's see if I can get some rollers. Mars new bike. Andrew's probably gonna be mad at me, but later I'm gonna see if I can sneak this on his front wheel. Congrats on the new bike, dickhead. We'll see if we can get that to happen. Love you, buddy. Poor cows. They don't like the Harley.
This luxury, dog.
Never had a phone mount?
Never had a phone. I'm telling you, dog, I'd be like this.
Hello?
What are we doing over here?
4 miles to go. We're turning this Harley into a hog. We took a little fairing and put a bigger fairing. You know, they like bigger. Bigger is
Where's
better.
that ratchet at? And I'm not talking about your mom. That's not a fucking ratchet.
He knows.
I usually don't like windscreens, but that does look better. What do you think?
The other one's only like this.
Yeah, it's tiny. All right, I'm hungry. What about you?
I'm hungry.
Let's go get some food.
Get some food, dude.
Okay, good. Fuck, you already found it? Damn it, we didn't even leave, dude. Damn, you're good.
I'm autistic, dude. You can't just sneak that shit by me.
All right, there's your cat back. Fuck. All right, well, we're gonna try to get Mars. Damn, dude, he found that shit quick, dude. Wow. Dude, I thought for sure it'd be like 3 weeks from now. He'd be like, who the fuck? I know it was you.
All I'm doing is sitting here staring at my bike all day.
Why'd you decide to come to a sports bar on Sunday orders?
This is your choice.
What?
I wanted to go to East Cut.
This place is nice. East Cut's closed, buddy.
It's your fault. You guys took too long.
I didn't take too long.
Nick wanted to come here because he wanted to watch baseball. He cares so much.
I wanted to go to Vincent's, but this motherfucker said, "You want to ride to Raleigh a little bit for you?" Instead of riding 2 minutes to Vincent's.
It was literally 2 minutes from Mike's house.
He was like, let's ride today. Let's ride
2 minutes down the road. Cheers, Papa.
He just couldn't get the bolts off.
Good, son?
Hey,
Is it good? Shout out to Woody's. Okay.
it's called something that changed it to that name. How you say it?
Jabba.